Hazelnut gelato is one of my all-time favorites, and I'm going to show you how to make it in just 4 ingredients. No ice cream maker needed. For this recipe, you'll need 1 cup or 150 grams of hazelnuts. Mine are unsalted but roasted. If you can find them unroasted, you can use those too. And you'll want the skins removed. If your hazelnut still has skins on it, pop them in the middle of a kitchen towel, bundle it up, and give it a good rub to remove as much of the skin as possible. If you want video instructions on how to do this, pop over to my pistachio gelato video. I've linked it in the description, and I show you exactly how to do that. Add your hazelnuts to the small bowl of a food processor. I'm using my food processor for this recipe, but if you haven't got one, you could use a high-powered blender or an immersion blender. Then add in 1 cup, 100 grams of powdered or icing sugar. If you prefer your gelato a little bit less sweet, cut the sugar down by 1/3. Now give it a whirl. Scrape down the sides of the bowl. I'm just giving the bottom a little scrape as well to make sure there are no large pieces of hazelnut. Now add in a pinch of salt. If you'd like to make your own vanilla salt, I've linked my video recipe in the description below. Now add in 100 milliliters, just under half a cup of whole or full fat milk. But if you're using a blender that doesn't allow you to add the milk in slowly, you can just add it in all at once. Give the sides another scrape. It definitely needs the scrape down because you can see some of the hazelnut flour was stuck to the side. Give it one more quick blitz. That's done, so let's set it aside. To a mixing bowl, add 1 cup, 240 milliliters of cold double or heavy cream. This is also known as whipping cream. You could swap out vegan milk and cream for this recipe and it will still work perfectly. As long as you can whip up the cream, you're good to go. It's important that the whipping cream is cold, otherwise it just won't whip up. I'm using a stand mixer because it's most convenient for me, but you can also do this with hand beaters or just a regular whisk in a bowl. Whisk until you have a soft mixture. You don't want it to be too firm. Add in your hazelnut cream, making sure to scrape down the bowl so you don't miss any of it. Now mix that together using a hand whisk this time so that it's nice and gentle and doesn't overmix the mixture. Perfetto. Transfer the mixture into a freezer-safe container. Cover it with cling film, making sure it touches the top of the gelato. This prevents any large ice crystals from forming. And into the freezer. This will need to freeze for 6 hours or overnight. It needs to sit for about 5 to 10 minutes to soften up. And as you can see, minimal ice crystals, which means our gelato is going to be nice and creamy. This makes about 600 grams, around 3 cups, or 6 to 12 scoops of gelato. 6 if you're being very generous, and 12 if you're holding back a little bit. And I'm curious, let me know down in the comments, do you prefer eating your gelato out of a cup, a cone, or are you like me and you like it en brioche? If you like this video, please head down below and hit the like button. And if you're like me and you have to have a scoop of pistachio gelato with your hazelnut, check out my pistachio gelato video here. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.